Hey guys, BrickQueen back here with more Harry Potter minifigure packs to open for you guys. Harry Potter Fantastic Beasts, that is. Hopefully I will get some of both. I did try to feel the packs a little bit, so I'm hoping no duplicates. That's the goal right now because I want the whole series. So I have 6 packs this time. Let's not waste any time. I have got to start opening these and seeing what I've got. Let's see. And, well, let's just get the paper out of the way. And we have Neville with the new Mandrake, which is awesome. I actually do have the old version of the Mandrake. So, if anybody wants a comparison, you know, just say the word, and I can do that for you guys. And he does have two-sided face, which is awesome. Okay, so let me go ahead and pop the wand off here if I can. Sometimes these are really hard to pop off like that. Well, I guess kind of shows him holding the wand in this hand. Maybe I was putting the wand in the wrong hand on all of them yesterday. I don't know. So I am loving that we have not only the Mandrake, but we have the pot that the Mandrake comes out of. I love it. Okay, so let me see how this goes. That's how. It's an interesting look for the Mandrake, really. I think they did a good job on it. Super excited. Love it. I know I've seen the Mandrake in pictures, but this is the first time I've actually seen it up close, and it looks cool. It's got its own pot and everything. Awesome. All right, so that's the first one. We have Neville, and let's see who else we have, because we have several more packs to go through still. And let's see. What is his name? Dean Thomas. That's it. I went blank, but I remembered. Oh, I didn't even realize that Dean Thomas was going to have the little short legs too. He's got the little legs. Little medium legs, I guess. Little moving legs. That's awesome. I love that. And I think they did a really good job on his body, giving him the scarf and all. It looks cool. Actually, that wand is the same color as Neville's, so I'm just going to take Neville's extra wand so I can save the wands like that. Alrighty, so, well, I don't remember which hand I'm supposed to be putting the wands in, actually. I think yesterday I put them all in the wrong hand. Oh well. But, check it out. Dean Thomas is, super smiley. He's, super happy to be here. Actually, he's probably just super happy to be at, the Quidditch match, I believe, is, where he would be at. Because he's, got the Gryffindor flag, which is awesome. We now have a nice printed flag for that. I think they did a good job on him. He looks awesome. Okay. I know I'm going to review the whole series once I get them all. So I really just want to open the packs right now and see what all I've got at the moment, because I've got to get the whole series before I can review all of them. And let's see. I believe this is the rare one, which now I understand why feeling the pack was weird, because I didn't realize he came with 2 different hair pieces. That's why I wasn't quite sure if I had found him or not, because you have, what's his name? Percival Graves on this side, or you can switch it out and have Grindelwald on that side. So, I mean, that's cool. I just didn't realize that. That's why it made it harder to feel the packs. Now it makes sense. Can't get the wand off. Okay. It suddenly makes sense. And there we go. All right, so I've got the super rare one. Awesome. Super excited. Okay, that is cool. And I love the other hairpiece for him. It's got the gray on the bottom, the black on the top. It looks awesome. They did a good job on that. Really, really good job. So, all right, let's see what else we've got. Because now like I said, I did try to feel these packs, so I have an idea of what I have. And I guess an idea of what I hope I picked up, I should say. So if you're wondering why, like, maybe I don't seem as excited as yesterday. Yesterday was totally random, and these I tried to pick out, basically. So, and I think I did a pretty good job at feeling the packs. I'm pretty experienced at that. Unlike a lot of you, I spend a lot of time just standing there feeling the packs, which I know is what a lot of you guys do too. So I think we're on the same page there. And I think they did a really, really good job on this new Dumbledore. It looks amazing. And he's got the, I don't know, how do you pronounce that? Pensive or Pensive? It's the bowl of memories from his office, but I'm not 100% on how to pronounce it correctly. Yeah, it's been a while since I watched the movies, so I don't remember how he said it exactly. But yeah. Anyway, that's what it is. It looks awesome. They printed the inside of the bowl, and Dumbledore looks amazing. He really, really does. The hairpiece with the hat is awesome. New beard is awesome. All I can say is, it's awesome. Everything is awesome. Sorry. Anyway, so we have 2 packs left, and let's see who we have in the last 2 packs. I know who I think I picked up. We'll see if I was right or not. Yes, we have one of the new Harry Potters, and which is comical to me that this particular Harry Potter has the little legs, not the medium ones. It's funny. You get like one of each in the series. Really, really comical to me. But we do have this new, really awesome looking invisibility cloak. And the other side looks amazing too. Alright, so I think on the paper it actually showed the right way to put that on. So I'm gonna, yeah, it's nothing special. Just, you know, put it on there. So, we can just do it like this. And there we go. That's all it is. Which is funny. This is like when, you know, just his head was floating, and he was like, I think that's when he was like talking to Ron, and just his head was like floating there, because he didn't realize it was an invisibility cloak at first. So, anyway, well, okay. Let me kind of move the cloak a little bit so I can actually give him his wand here. Alrighty. So, we have the amazing new invisibility cloak, which I think I have every version of, if anyone's curious. I can do several comparisons out of this. A Dumbledore comparison, Neville, the Mandrakes. Awesome. Okay, so one final pack. And I think if I picked them up correctly, if I felt the packs correctly, I think this is Jacob. But we will see. Because I am opening the packs with you guys. I haven't already opened it or anything, so I don't know. But I think that's his torso that just fell out there. So, yes, I believe we do have Jacob. I think his last name is Kowalski, I think is how you say it. Jacob Kowalski. So he has one of the new suitcases, which is awesome. I have been wanting to get the new suitcase. I think they did an amazing job on the suitcase. Love it. And dropped it. And for him, he just, kind of puts his little baked goods in there. His little bakery stuff. That's awesome. I love this. Okay, so let me go ahead and finish putting Jacob Kowalski together. We only got guys this time. I didn't plan, but anyway, we'll have to continue getting minifigure packs and get the rest of the series. So there we have Jacob Kowalski, which looks awesome, but I love his suitcase more than him actually. So anyway, those are all of the minifigures that I picked up this time. Let me know what you guys think. Which one of these is your favorite? And don't say Percival just because he's the rarest. Which one do you actually like the most? Let me know in the comments, and I will see you guys later. Before you go, click my minifigure to subscribe, or click Brick Titan's minifigure to subscribe to his channel. And if you've already done that, click the picture to see more of my videos. And as always, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.